Can you tell us a little about yourself, your background, and what inspired you to take the SAT?
My name is Lasya, and I'm currently in 12th grade, a CBSE student studying commerce. I wanted to take the SAT because it is a standardized testing for a lot of colleges abroad and even in India. So that was my main reason to take the test.
So, when did you start preparing for the SAT, and what was your target score at the beginning?
I started preparing about 3 months before the test, and I aimed to get above 1550.
How did you first hear about our institution?
It was through my school seniors, because a lot of students in our school go to Venkat sir, IGIN. So yeah, that's how I got to know about them, and then I went and talked to Venkat sir. So I liked the approach, so that's why I joined the IGIN.
So, what made you choose AGEN Institute for SAT training? Can you elaborate a little bit on that?
Previously, I did go to 2-3 coaching centers for the SAT, but then none of them seemed to have a practical approach for the test. But Venkat sir had a clear practical approach, and he sort of like explained each and every step. Even the mentors were good, and then sir had online facility as well, which helps me save a lot of time too, because I have to go quite a long distance. So yeah, considering all these factors, I joined AGEN.
What did you like most about AGEN classes?
First thing is they simplified the complex concepts very well, because there are a lot of concepts which may seem easy but they're kind of hard to tackle in the test. So they simplified it, and they gave us a lot of strategies as well, and they gave personal attention to each and every student and reviewed their mistakes very well. So I think that helped a lot.
So, were there any specific strategies or techniques that you learned here that really helped you improve your score?
Especially time management and few reading strategies, which helped me go through the paragraphs very well, because the paragraphs are kind of complex in the test. And also Venkat sir taught us a lot of math shortcuts, which helped me solve the sums a bit more faster, so that I could review it again and again in the test.
How did the mock tests, feedback, and study materials help you?
They were amazing, because mock tests were very similar to the real SAT, which I gave, especially the math section. English a bit, it varied a bit obviously, but math was very similar to what I wrote in the actual test. So yeah, mock tests were very essential, because when we usually do practice questions, we don't time ourselves, but during mock tests we time ourselves, and then it is an actual test, so it helps us to get used to the environment. So yeah.
How did your trainers support or motivate you?
Trainers were amazing. They especially gave me this personal attention after every test. Each question, even though I got it correct, they reviewed it again. And then if my approach was wrong, even for a correct answer, they changed the approach and made me think differently. So I learned a lot of new perspectives.
How did you feel when you saw your SAT score of 1570?
Honestly, it was a bit shocking, because I was not expecting a 1570, though I aimed for it. But yeah, I felt happy because all the hard work paid off at the last.
So how much of an improvement did you see from your first practice test to the final score?
I got around 1350 or something in my first test, in my first practice test, and I got 1570 in my actual test. So that is a huge improvement, around 220 points. Yeah, that is it. I just did more and more practice tests, and I got used to the pattern as well.
So what part of your preparation do you think made the biggest difference?
Mock tests are like the major changing perspective in every test we take, because we get used to actual test questions or similar test questions, because the practice questions are not the same as the test ones. They are very different. Though they help you get to know the concept, they don't actually make you understand how the actual test feels. So mock tests played a major role in my preparation.
Did you face any challenges or self-doubt during the preparation? If yes, how did you overcome?
Especially while taking tests, because the score fluctuates a lot. Sometimes it goes up to 1500s and sometimes it stays in 1300s. So in those times I felt quite unsure about my test, but then due to the mentors and Venkat sir also helped me a lot. They asked me to focus on the process instead of the result, and they reviewed my mistakes again and again. So that's how I tackled everything, and finally it went well.